In this video, I'm going to be taking a random strategy from Pocket Option Auto Trader and I'll let it run till we get 5 winners. So let's see what type of win rate we can get from that. Also, if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot for yourself, you can have it completely for free. Just use the link to find below the video and you also can get started today. And this works on desktop and on cell phone. So you can, whatever you want, it's working there. Now, let's start up the bot and let's see how much money we make in this video. And there we got our 5 winners like we planned. And the win rate is actually amazing. We got 71% win rate, 5 winners as we did go for, and 2 losses. And more than $1,200 in matter of minutes. So if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video so you also can get started today. So with that, have an amazing day.